In this video, I'm going to show you how to change color for cursor from white to black or any another color to black. So click on Start, then Settings, Devices, Mouse, and in here click on Adjust Mouse and Cursor Size. So to make black cursor, select this second option, change pointer color, so select this black one. So now as we can see, this cursor has in black color, and also you can change cursor size like this. So that's it friends. By this quick and easy method we can change color for cursor and we can set black color for cursor. That's it. Thanks for watching.